Today, we're going to learn about prepositions of time. Simple words that help us talk about time. We'll make it easy to understand with clear examples, so let's get started. What are prepositions of time? Prepositions of time are words that show the relationship between a specific time and the action or event in a sentence. They help us understand when something happens. Common prepositions of time. We use the preposition at for specific times, specific points of the day, or holidays. For example,
at 5 o'clock, at midnight, at the weekend, at night.
We use the preposition on for specific days, dates, and holidays with day in the name. For example,
on Monday, on July 4th, on Christmas Day.
We use the preposition in for longer periods of time, like months, years, centuries, or parts of the day. For example,
in June, in 2025, in the 21st century, in the morning.
The preposition by refers to a deadline or before a certain point in time. For example,
by 8 p.m., by tomorrow.
We use the preposition for to indicate the duration of an event. For example,
for 2 hours, for a week.
The preposition since refers to the starting point of an action or event. For example,
since Monday, since 2010.
The preposition until shows the end point of an action or event. For example,
until 5 p.m., until next week.
The preposition during refers to a period of time in which something happens. For example,
during the meeting, during the holidays.
The preposition before shows that something happens earlier than a specific time, event, or action. For example,
before the meeting, before 6 p.m.
The preposition after shows that something happens later than a specific time, event, or action. For example,
after 6 p.m., after the meeting.
The preposition within refers to a time limit. Something happens inside a specific time frame. For example,
within 10 minutes, within this year.